you ready? Ready? Whoa! Here they come! Here they come!
Mom!
Yeah? Vinny! Are you going to feed it a crocodile?
Crocodile was so strong.
So strong.
He was so
It
strong,
is
wasn't he? What are we feeding him, Vin? What's this? What's this here? There we go. It's a bit of chalk. There you go, mate. You ready? Here you go. Go for it. Hold above your nose. Hold on to it. Whoa.
Whoa, Vin! Cool.
Yeah.
Was that cool? Whoa! Vin, was that fun? Wow.
Really fun. I'm so glad we got to do that. No, that's it now. Here you go. Can you take the stick back to those fellas?
What are we doing?
Going in the boat.
Going on, Bo. What are we going to see? Piranhas.
We've got one coffee here, it's about 4.7 metre, what comes down.
Swim along beside the boat.
Fishes.
Oh my god. So you're going
Vinny, come here.
Yeah, good.
That's cool. Turn around, Vin. Come show me. Vinny, you want to go to the koalas?
Wildlife Discovery Walk.
Okay. Vinny's showing the koalas his face painting. She loves it. What's going on today?
We're just doing a butcher shop tour.
Oh.
Some people do like the waterfall tour. We do
Or like
butcher.
wineries or something.
Yeah,
We're on the butcher hunt.
I do butcher shops. Bones, knob, cash butchery. Sounds exciting. We left Port Douglas and we are on our way to. We're currently on the Atherton Tablelands on our way to Tinaroo Lake for a camp.
For a camp?
Yeah.
And we just
National
stopped
Park camp.
at Tolga at the cafe. Pretty nice little cafe. And yeah, Dion's on the hunt for a butcher.
I've heard that Tableland beef and Tableland meat is really good, and you can see by the green grass it looks like it would be pretty good. I'm excited.
How'd you go, babe?
Oh, went alright.
What'd you get? You look excited.
Bought some porterhouse. So cold.
We're proper Queenslanders now. We travelled, what, 2 hours today inland, and now it's freezing. We're so cold.
We've gone up into the what's it called?
Tablelands.
The Himalayas. That's what it is.
But look at our view. This is right at our front window. Ooh la la. So the weather's turned blizzard. Whenever we go to a lake, it seems to get really windy and like terrible weather. How do you feel about that?
It's freezing. We're in the Himalayas and it's in the lake. We're at Loch Ness.
So you've turned into a bear and you're hungry all of a sudden,
Yeah, well,
even though we've not long had lunch.
I bought a porterhouse today, so I think I need to eat it.
Fair enough. Hello.
Hello. Help! Close the canopy!
Somebody close it. You're hilarious, friend.
What's this? Red. Red. She also did it before.
Here, eat that if you're so hungry.
Oh, no crap. No crap in your dick. Stretch it out, then just a big doozy. Very serious crap. What do you reckon, man? Yeah. Walking up a bit of porterhouse.
Pretty good.
Weather just got blown out. So, yeah. Oh, maybe when I drop the leaf.
What a disaster.
You're right. Good.
How's the blizzard going?
Yeah, it's gone.
Pretty nice.
Really nice now.
Yeah. Ren, stop eating the bike handle. Ren. Vin! Woohoo!
Double hook up. Oh.
Vin! Catfish! Vinny knew he had a fish on and he was pulling him in. Look at him.
There's one called Dicky. There's one called Fish. The girls on it.
Go Vin.
What are we doing here, Vin?
Just catching fish.
Just catching a fish. Keep going. See if you can see what it is. What do you reckon it is? Can you see any colour?
I reckon it's a stick.
It might be a weed fish. Ah.
Maybe next time.
Oh well.
Pull out.
Check it out.
What'd you
We're
catch?
just doing some fishing at Lake Tinaroo. I caught a turtle. Oh, poor little fella. And how did you cook it?
No, just you.
Just me on the fire.
There's heaps of ones.
All right, are you gonna try it? I reckon it's ready now. Just be careful of the stick.
Okay.
Give it a go.
I think there's about 150 bucks.
Oh, really?
How is it?
Good.
Just a Lake Barrine Tea House at the Tablelands. It's so pretty. Ren.
What's in there, Ren? What's that?
Put all these here.
So what's happening?
Oh my goodness. We're just
explain to us what's
Well,
going
we
on.
were driving, we're staying at Lake Tinaroo, and then we thought we'd go for a drive, and we went to Lake, I can't remember.
Something else.
Something else. And then we were on their way back, like driving around, and then I saw there was like Narada tea factory here, and like I drink that tea every single day. And so we're going to the factory to go have some tea.
He's got the tea. Go, Vin, go. Tea for everyone. All ready to go to Mission Beach. She's got her beautiful headband on, which is also known as an Oki strap, and she's got her goggles on, which are also known as Vinni's goggles. You ready to go, Ren? Let's go.